So if you only go to one show this year, make sure it's Billing. They have got a little bit of everything. They've got everything from the club stands, like the amazing G4 setup that they've got here. Real show of force for these lads. It's a 90, but a pop shop. Pop top.
Pop shop?
Pop shop, pop top.
Pop shop. Pop shop 90.
It's like what I do to my t-shirts. It just looks too small, doesn't it?
It's a right good idea, that though.
It's not the pies, it's the washing machine. It's shrinking them. So we are heading out in the pins. We're going to go and check out the off-road course now.
Today.
Have you just put me down as your lover?
Yeah, I did put you down as lover.
And as always, the marshals are absolutely fantastic. They come out here in baking hot weather and make sure everybody has a good day.
Ta love!
So as you can see, coming round here, it's very, very undulating. It's up and down. If you're in a challenge truck, it's going to be absolutely nothing for you and you're just going to come for the mud run. However, if you don't do off-roading or something, what a fantastic way of taking the kids out and having a play or something like that. That's why I brought a Liam.
Hi!
Off with no wheel spin. So all in all on that one, the more factory vehicles with a little bit of clearance were doing considerably better than the massively modified TD5s with a no centre diff lock. And then Billy Big Bollocks here does it with zero spin, zero rev, zero anything, just to prove a point.
Pins go, baby.
It looked boring though, didn't it? It looked so boring. So I had to think really thin when I brought my Sprinter through it.
Oh.
I nearly touched on both sides and
yeah.
The mirrors were over the rails.
Think skinny thoughts. Yeah. So bad on this, is it?
Might just be the worst pirate I have ever seen.
Ah, but you have heard of me.
Oh, different route. No one can say that these Marshalls don't graft. Look at the absolute state of them. TD5, so he's going to hit it with some speed.
Still in two-wheel drive.
So I reckon, for a beginner, if you've just bought a 4x4, this is absolutely ideal.
Brilliant. It's because the gosses are probably took one. Yeah, no, absolutely brilliant, because there's loads of people to help you if you need an hand. Do you know what I mean? Like, you get it stuck, there's somebody who's going to be there to recover you. If you don't know what you're doing, there's marshals everywhere. They're genuinely really helpful in telling people this is how to go about this obstacle as well. Do you know what I mean? Like,
And it looks a lot more intimidating than what it actually is.
oh yeah, yeah. That's
Like
it.
this is like a little jungle section, isn't it? But
Yeah.
it's just
a good
it's a track.
It's a bumpy road.
See, that looks fun in that series.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Thoroughly enjoyed that. It was very, very slow to begin with. There was a bit of a delay and we sat in the heat as you do when a lot of people are in one space at once. But as soon as we got going, absolutely fantastic. Marshals are always absolutely fantastic, and thank you very much for Sight for putting this on, because what a Saturday out. This is so much better than sitting in a beer garden.
Yeah. Cheers, Billing.
And I know I'm going to get questions about where's my Land Rover ambulance. As we speak today, the fabricator has been round and he's putting a price together to fix it. So we might actually be getting somewhere with that now. We're back in the camp. We're absolutely baked. Big thanks to everybody that has come up and said hello. Loads and loads of people saying hello when they watch the videos and stuff. So yeah, thanks to all the people that's come over and said hello. It does mean a lot, because at the end of the day, I put these videos out there and I know there's a fair few of you that enjoy it, but it's nice to actually start to see real human faces and stuff. So yeah, that's awesome. We're now just hiding in the shade for a minute, trying to play with the drones, and we're gonna have one last walk round, and yeah, I think we've got the auction. There's an auction coming up.
We're gonna get beer. We do beer at the auction.
£600, put your hands in the air for that man down there. Well done. Massive thank you. You can't run away now.
On the demonstration track itself, you've got Ed Cobbler going round, absolutely tearing round. He's done a couple of laps around with people that they won on the auction last night. And as well as that, you've got Challenge Southwest, absolutely terrifying people for 25 quid. If you are looking at socials rather than big shows and stuff, don't forget, we've still got a few tickets left to the open meet at the Napoleonic Fort. That's the 1st till the 3rd of August. Check out the description box if you're interested in that. Everything from Land Rovers, Overlanders, adventure vans and camper vans. If you like the off-grid stuff, you like to have a mooch round and you like a few beers in a cool location, that's the one. Even now on the Sunday afternoon, it's still fairly busy, and I think a lot of people are wanting to get off, but there's still a lot here to look at. Lovely, lovely conversions from Brown Bird Coat. They do some absolutely gorgeous work. Saw these years ago when they were doing the van conversions, and what stands out is they do the live edge wooden worktops and stuff. Real nice touch. Look at that. And the little bits of detail, like look at that switch panel there. How nice is that? So down that corner, apparently there's a marquee with a bar in it or something. We've not looked in there this weekend. We've stayed well away. Yeah, Yep. One or two drinks may have been consumed this weekend. We are sweating it out right now.
Don't worry, it's coming back out, isn't it, mate?
Yeah, that's it. So up this section, like I say, we're going through the auto jumbo section. Then you've got all the club stands in the corner.
Club stands are quite good actually, because it's like, because it's not a show and it's people's real kit. So like, you know, instead of walking around and just looking at the stuff that's on sale,
Yeah.
you get to see what other people are actually using, because stuff looks shiny and great, but people around there might have actually used the stuff that is on sale and tell you a different story about it. So
Yeah.
getting around the club stands and speaking to people is genuinely a great thing to do.